Amazing flight. Beautiful flight in Iguazu Falls. You gotta do this. Here we are in Helisul in Foz de Iguaçu, about to ride a helicopter. 10-minute tour over the waterfalls. You can hear the helicopters now in the distance. This ride is 400 something high, so like 80 something dollars. And it's a 10-minute ride over the waterfalls over this beautiful sunny day. Okay, that's the end of the helicopter ride. What an amazing flight. When it was turning, my head was spinning. I didn't even know that was gonna happen, but yeah, that's amazing. Here's the helicopter. Che tipo the helicopter è? Quale modello di helicopter Bell? 505? Yes. 5.
A queda mais alta é equivalente a um prédio de 26 andares.
Here are the rules. We're entering the trail. There are signs of jaguars here, and that's interesting because in the news there is a jaguar attacking pink flamingos in the bird park. So I hope nothing happens here like that. What a beautiful sight of nature out here with the biggest waterfalls in the world, right? Biggest in the world, maybe second biggest. It's definitely bigger than Niagara Falls, and I've never been there, but I'm glad to be here finally. Just looks amazing. The nature is awesome over here. Wow, yeah. Hey, look, take a spot pictures over there. See what it looks like. coming right there. Oh, look at all those monkeys. There's one there, there's one there. Oh, they're a bunch. Look at that. The monkeys. Falling, whoa. So you saw the boat down there with the people screaming when they hit the waterfalls. They're driving intentionally into the waterfalls. It's hilarious. Here we are, we're walking in the Iguazu Falls, the national park. We saw about 2 points, 2 stops for taking pictures, and we're getting closer to the big waterfall. So you saw the boats. Now we're getting closer to the big one. I think it's called the Dragon's, or the Devil's Throat. Damn, this is incredible. Unbelievable views out here. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. That's unbelievable, man. Being right in the middle of everything here. Here we are. This is the best part. We arrived to the best part of the Iguazu Falls. It is loud from the wind, it's getting wet from the mist, and it's beautiful. It's beautiful, it's amazing over here. Wow, wow, look at that. People taking pictures. Opa. This guy's doing a video, I'm doing a video. I almost got in his way, then I walked behind. Oh. Yeah, wow. You hear that? So much louder now. So much louder now. Okay, that's quiet again. Okay, the lens is getting wet from the mist. Wow, amazing views, holy cow. Amazing. It's force of nature. This is big, so I can't imagine what Niagara Falls would look like. I mean, this is pretty big, so if it gets any bigger, I don't know, it would be smaller. Niagara Falls would be smaller, right? But it's another tour. The Brazilian side, this is the Brazilian side, should be better than the Argentinian side. That's from what I heard. What's the end? Capa de chuva. Aqui é final ou tem mais para ver?
É final.
Final?
Final.
E lá pode ficar mais vista, né?
Pode ficar mais tempo.
Ah, ok.
Pode subir.
The last bus is 5:30, so we got an hour left. So far, so good. I thought by Google Maps it says it closes at 4. That's not true. It's open longer. So we're at the edge. This is the last part of the waterfalls. You go up and you leave. That's the end. So we've been here for an hour and a half and we saw the whole path, the whole trail. Now we're gonna get back to the entrance of the park by bus. But here's the closest you can get to the waterfalls right here and the end. Sunk in the cost, bought 2 pictures just because they look better with the flash. 80 reals, 80 nice. It's almost 20 bucks for 2 pictures. I'm crazy, but oh well, I'm only gonna be here once. I did it.
Aqui, vou retirar aqui dele. Eu passei na memória da câmera.
So there's actually one more parked. Took the elevator to the top before leaving back to the bus. And yeah, that's where I got the best shots. I think the best views are from there. You can stay here overnight if you want to be closer to the waterfalls.